My next video episode. Um, we are preparing to apply for Associate Android Developer Certificate. And if you followed my other videos, we follow the study guide. We finished Android Core and working on user interface. Today we're going to be continuing working on RecyclerView. Last time we've created this app where we just populate it with color names. But it's not clickable. You can't do anything. Today, we're going to be working on make it clickable, and if you click on any of those colors, it will take you to different activity, and along the way, it will pass some information. In fact, it will pass the name of the color to the second activity. So the second activity will tell you, hey, you clicked on brown or you clicked on blue. Okay, so let's go back to our project that we did in previous video. And what we're going to be doing right now, we're going to make it clickable, right? Our app, our RecyclerView. Please go to color adapter.kotlin file and go to class view holder. That's where the magic will happen. Where we have vol, TV color type, text view, right after that, we're gonna say init. So init block, that's what makes it work, init. And inside we're gonna say item view dot set on capital O on click listener, and pick this one as always with 3 dots. Inside of set on click listener, let's do this. Let's make it toast that so we can see that the app knows where we clicked. We're gonna say toast. Oh no, let's say this. Vol position first, and that's going to be type int equals adapter position, and then we're going to make a toast saying toast make text, and here we have to say, so we need to say where context, and the way you say it inside of the view holder class, you have to say item view dot context, comma, and then the message will be you clicked on number, and here we have to do a $sign and curly braces like this because so let me show you something. We don't need curly braces, but we do need curly braces. Why? Because if we just put position, remember in Kotlin, just like in any other programming languages, it starts from 0. So if I click on white, it will tell me you clicked on 0, but it's actually in human the way we count from starting from 1. Programmers are different, so we have to say +1. And in order to do +1, if I write right here +1, it's not going to work. It's going to think, oh, it's just the text. That's why we have to put those curly braces like this, and then it will work. So $, curly braces, position +1. So you clicked on number, whatever number it is, and then next one is toast length long, and show after the show. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so white. I click here. It says you clicked on number 1. Okay, yellow, you clicked on number 2. Okay, and then if I go the last one, you clicked on number 25. So we have 25 colors, and as you see, it knows where I clicked. We need this toast just to see that it's clickable and it's working. You click on number 5, yeah, green. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's correct. Now we know it's clickable. We don't need this toast for right now, and we do not need position either. As I said, we trying to click on a color, and it's supposed to take us to a different activity. Plus, it should take this color name and bringing over to that second activity. Let's create second activity by going to Java, package name, right click, new, empty activity. Where is that? Activity, empty activity. Here we go. And let's call it another activity. You can call it any way you want, but then you have to follow and make sure you know this name. I call it another activity because it's so simple. Click finish. Okay, so we have another activity. Now there is another activity, the code file, and then there's also XML file, right? Where is that? Right here. Let's put text view there. Text view. Let's click over here on a line horizontally in parent and vertically in parent. And also let's make text bigger so we can immediately see. Let's make it 24. All right, so we have second activity. Great. Now, in order for us to, let's go to adapter. So in order for us to, we know it's working. We know it's clickable, it's working. Remember how we did it with button? We said, when we had a button, we said val intent equals intent with capital I, and there we're gonna say view context, because we can't just say context. We're inside of the view, inside of a view holder, so we have to say view context, comma, and then where are we going? We're going to another activity right here, class, Java. Okay. Next one would be view context, view dot context, start activity, and we're gonna put intent here, just the one we just created. So let's start this. This should take us to second activity. No matter where we click, it will take us to second activity at least. Okay, I click on red, it takes me to second activity. Click on white, same thing. Great. But as I said, we want to transmit information from here to there. And what we want to transmit, these colors, white, yellow, blue, those words, strings transmitted. So when I click, let's say on Azure, it will take me, it will show me here, hey, you clicked on this color. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do it. We actually gonna do it, I think we did it before. Over here between start activity and val intent, we're gonna add one line, and the line will be intent dot put extra, and we need a key name, because it's value pair value thing. So name of this key would be, let's call it color key, color underscore key, and then the message will be you clicked on, and once again $sign and curly braces, you clicked on, and here we're gonna say item view dot, let me move it so you can see better, I'm sorry. Let me do it again. Dot TV color list, and I'll show you once again what it is. Dot text. Oops, text. Make it bigger. Text. All right. So, what is TV color list? TV color list. Where is the? We go to code. This is the text view. We have TV color list. See? So what we're saying here, okay. What we're saying here, whatever that text view says, let's say it says blue or yellow, it's gonna be showing us you clicked on yellow or blue text, whatever is text in there. Now we also need to, so we put it, it says put extra, we put it extra, but we need to also pull it, we need to get it extra, right? So we need to go now to another activity, get file, and by the way, what is the we created that another activity XML? Did we give it ID? No. Let's call it text view 2, like this. So make sure go to this text view and call it text view 2, so we don't get confused by text views. So text view 2, all right, and go to another activity KT file, and where it says on create, we're gonna say val string of type string equals intent dot get string extra. And remember that key I was talking about? Now we put this key here. We find it by key, color underscore key. Here you go. And then all we need to do now, we need to say text view 2 dot text equals string that we created right here on top. All right, so run it. All right. White, I click on white. You clicked on white, see? Black, you clicked on black. So what it does, it takes information from here, what's the text view over here. Silver, you clicked on silver, and brings this information here. So now we have clickable recycler view. It brings information from point A to point B. Follow me for another videos. I'm still gonna be working on recycler view because it's very important.